Hi, my name is Danielle, and today I'm talking about all things Pluto. Clyde Tombaugh was the scientist who discovered Pluto in 1930. Pluto was known as the ninth planet after Neptune for many years until it was named a dwarf planet. People were actually upset about Pluto being named a dwarf planet. Did you know that gravity on Pluto is only 8% of our gravity here on Earth? So this means that your 100-pound Earthling would weigh about 8 pounds on Pluto. And if you lived on Pluto, you would have to wait 248 years between birthdays. This would give you a lot of time to think about what is on your birthday wish list. Now, let me tell you a little more about this really cool dwarf planet. Pluto is only recently being named a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto is the largest object in the Kuiper Belt. It is brownish with a yellow tint and is tiny compared to the Earth and our moon. If you go to Pluto, make sure you bring your winter jacket because the temperature is negative 400 degrees Fahrenheit and is very dark. When Pluto moves away from the sun, the atmosphere breaks and freezes. And if you're traveling to Pluto, make sure you give yourself plenty of time to get there because it will take you 12 and a half years. Pluto is 2.6 billion miles from Earth. Remember that I told you Pluto was a dwarf planet? Well, let me explain what a dwarf planet is. Dwarf planets are round and go around the sun in a disk-like zone, and are called dwarf planets because you will find many objects in the dwarf planet orbit. There are only 5 dwarf planets. Obviously, Pluto is one, Ceres, Haumea, Makemake, and lastly, Eris. Scientists think there are more out there, but we don't know that. It takes Pluto 247.7 years to orbit the Sun, and is 3.67 billion miles away from the Sun. It has 3 known moons, but scientists think there are actually more. 2 of Pluto's moons are very small. The biggest of Pluto's moons is orbiting Pluto from less than 12,000 miles away. Scientists are continuing to study Pluto and all of the surrounding dwarf planets. They are even sending a spacecraft to Pluto to find out more information to take pictures. Thank you for listening to All Things Pluto.